The L-11 error on Spectrum cable boxes signifies a critical failure during the boot process, preventing the device from fully initializing or connecting to Spectrum's services. It's essentially a diagnostic code indicating the box can't load its firmware or sync with Spectrum's network. This issue primarily affects older Spectrum cable boxes, where the device gets stuck in a boot loop, repeatedly displaying L11 instead of proceeding to the home screen. Common causes include corrupted firmware, signal loss due to loose cable connections, outdated software, hardware degradation in older models, or conflicts with on-demand features. While less prevalent now due to Spectrum's shift towards streaming, it's still relevant for users with traditional cable setups. The L11 error is generally not user serviceable and might require professional intervention, unlike simpler signal-related errors. Start by performing a basic power cycle. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet and wait at least 10 minutes before plugging it back in. This can clear temporary software glitches. Next, ensure all cable connections are secure, especially the coax cable. Loose connections can cause signal issues leading to the L11 error. Reset your router to establish a stable network connection. This can resolve connectivity issues that trigger the L11 error. Use the Spectrum app to force a reboot of the cable box. This remote option can sometimes resolve the issue without physical access. Note that the L11 error is more common in rural areas due to unstable cable signals. If you're in such an area, professional help may be needed sooner. For persistent L11 errors, contact Spectrum support. They can remotely update firmware or dispatch a technician to address hardware issues. In some cases, especially if due to a manufacturing defect, a box replacement may be required. Spectrum support will determine if this is necessary.